Hello, tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Bishal Gurung. I am 32 years old. I am from Nepal, Bhajing. I have 4 members in my family.
Okay, Mr. Gurung, do you have a work experience?
Yes, sir. I have 8 years experience as a construction company, also certain carpenter and scaffolder in Dubai and Nepal.
Okay, you can work hard in construction?
Yes, sir. I can work hard in a construction, any climate, and inside and outside, no problem, sir. I can.
Can you lift up to 20 kg?
Yes, sir. Easily I can.
Can you remove and clean the garbage?
Yes.
Can you do the loading and unloading?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any your friends or relatives in Romania?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Gurung.
Okay, sir.